All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be prepping the engine to go into the car. So right now I have the engine out of the car with the automatic transmission, and we're going to be removing the automatic transmission. And I got I think it's an E10. Yeah, the E10. This one's stuck a few days ago. The E14 that was like broken. So I had to hammer it on, so now it's like on crooked. So I'm not sure if that'll come out, but I have a new bolt. All right, so I got it off. I just used a hammer, and that is mangled. Very, very mangled. So just these two, and I'm done. I'm gonna start pulling this off. Jared should be here soon. We'll see what else we're gonna be doing today. I'm not sure. I don't have much to do. I mean, we have a lot to do, but I need to get this. I need to get the tool to get this off. I need to get the headers welded. Yeah, so not a lot over here, but it's gonna be more like with the car and stuff. So we'll see about that. I also have to do the reservoir. Cut this off and then run the line through. But I gotta find where the line goes through. I might run the line first and then cut it so it's not leaking everywhere. But just little things. All right, so that is one of the longer bolts. And I don't think I would even fit. I don't have it with me right now, so I can't really test to see if it would fit. But to me remembering how big it was, I don't think it's gonna fit. So it's already starting to move, as you can see. Just have to pry it. This has to, I think I just hammer this way, and then the pin. I don't know, I might have to pry it, but the pin is holding it in right here. That's the starter, if you guys don't know. I just got that disconnected. It was being held up by this, and then when it came out, it just kind of fell this way, which isn't terrible, I guess. I don't think it's gonna fall even anymore. Yeah. So the one thing that's most important here is not allowing the torque converter to fall out. Because if that does, then we get fluid everywhere and then we have a fun mess to clean up. But yeah, right now, I'm not gonna reuse this because this is different from the manual to the auto, this plate thing. But right now, I think I'm just gonna pull this back a little bit, make sure that torque converter doesn't come out. I don't know, it's like angled this way. Let's see if I can pry. That flex plate is just gonna flex. Oh no, it's going. All right, it's completely disconnected. It looks like it's just kind of stuck on the flex plate over here. In the back, you can see. So I just have to pull it back with my hands. Because everything I'm doing is just making things fall. You see like it's being held up over there. Probably just gonna pick this up a little bit and it'll just fall out. It looks like it's connected to that plate, which is kind of odd. I did not know that, but I was able to move it just a little bit. It's bending things, just like that little plate, but I'm not gonna reuse it, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna keep pulling this back, see if it'll come out. All right, yeah, I pulled out a little bit more, but I think there's like a pin or something here, or no, there's a little bolt. I'm looking deeper into this, see what more things that I have to get. And this is the vacuum line to the secondary air pump, I believe. So I'm gonna delete this, get a cap right here for it. And then I don't know if I need this. I don't know what this is, but I might text Roy. I don't know what this is. Is this a charcoal canister? Let me text Roy real quick, see what all this stuff is. But yeah, there's a vacuum line that's back here, or it looks like it's supposed to be back here, but it's not. So yeah, if I can just cap these off, and then, because I know this is gonna have to be capped right here, because that's just the secondary air pump, and I don't know what this is, but this is broken. So yeah, I'll shoot him a text real quick. But yeah, also the oil dipstick does not come out, so this is like corroded in here. It turns, but it won't come out. So all right, I just did a very fast 40 minutes of looking at forms from 2005, and I think I can just remove this, I can remove all these, I'm pretty sure. So this isn't gonna matter. I just need vacuum caps for the holes in the manifold. I don't know about this. Like, what the fuck is this? Sorry about my language. But like, I don't know about this. I don't think it plugs into anything. I don't know if you can see that. These things. I don't think it plugs into anything, but I can cap this off, and I think I can cap this off, everything that goes into this, because there's gonna be no secondary air pump. So yeah, so this is just secondary air pump, and then this just loops from this thing into here. So should be good. This is also gonna need to be replaced. I might have one. I think I have one, but that's a large vacuum leak. So yeah, might as well do these things while the engine is out. Like all these, like this isn't cracked, but it's on its way out. This vacuum stuff. But these are easier to get to other than this. This is very annoying to get to. I might have one. I think I do have one. So. Also, I just pulled this off. And then this is what the vacuum hose looks like. This one's cracking. I don't know if there's oil on it. Oh no. I think it's gas, but this one's cracking. So I need like 3 or 4 of these. I'm just gonna buy a ton. They're like $2 each if I get the BMW ones, which are OEM plus. One more thing we can take off is this is part of the engine mount that broke. I just twisted off the motor mount. So probably clamp it here or something, and then try to remove this, or get like a little blade in there and cut the bottom of that. But I have all new stuff anyway, so I'm not even worried about it. Just need to get that one off. This is really hot. It's like hurts to hold, but kind of just grab these with vice grips, squish that into each other, and it came off. So let go. Now it doesn't want to come off. Great. But finally got that out. Now I have new engine mounts in. Waiting for, I think I can put this other engine mount bracket on, but I think I'll do that when I have it on a stand. Yeah, so I'm thinking I will put this on a stand just because everything, I'll just have to find what size nuts to put on the back. I can just take that flex plate off, and then yeah, so it shouldn't be too bad. All right, so we're just talking about things, looking at fitment. We had this up with the jack and seeing it's pretty good. These are almost new tires. I got these towards the end, but I bolted the lollipop back on over there because it was getting caught in the exhaust. But we don't have much to do. The only thing I can see is the pedals and then running all the hydraulic lines. That's literally, like, if I think about it, that's all I can do right now.
Besides ripping this stuff apart.
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait for the M50 manifold. But yeah, other than doing that and then putting the transmission on, but whatever. Well, might as well wait. Maybe a new sensor, so this isn't zip tied down. Or I could clean stuff, but it sends stuff everywhere. Maybe I'll take this off jacks and push it outside and clean it.
Yeah.
I mean, not right now because the engine's right there, but
No.
Yeah.
You get on the stand.
Yeah.
Go grab that.
Okay. All right, so they got this on Amazon a while ago. 750 pounds. This is the cheapest engine stand on Amazon, shipped for free. I think it was like 70 bucks. So, yeah. Picked up bolts. They're like 10 bucks for a bolt. They're the longer of these. So, let's see how that hooks up. But, yeah, just gonna put it together real quick. Not gonna show off too much. This is more just like an update video of like what's going on behind the scenes. I'm not making daily uploads, so I don't have to force videos out like I was doing for a while. I'm in the trash, but yeah. Yeah, this is kind of an unboxing, not really. I think, yeah, these are just fixed wheels, but this is like the main body of it. I can't take it out. Put this all over here. Take this out, put it together, and I'll show you when it's together. All right, so just put this together. This is all together. This one was kind of hard just because of where it is. And right now, I took the flex plate off. It's 8 19mm bolts. So, yeah, right now we're sizing this up. Just put it on the stand. Gotta pull the crane out, which is back there. So, it's only gonna be the very big holes that it's gonna fit into. This is not gonna end well, dude.
Gonna lean back.
Did you see Will's engine
No.
when they pulled the 135? Oh, it's not that bad. I'm just worried about this thing swinging. All right, so we have the engine back here. A little bit came out with the rear main seal, not too much. Yeah.
That was like 4 quarts of oil.
All right, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty good back here. I'm gonna order the stuff for the M50 manifold. I'll probably talk to Roy a little bit about it. And what else? And then I got headers. I have to weld some stuff with that. Getting a buddy's buddy to do it. And that's it, pretty much. And then whatever oil stuff, oil pan, oil pump, doing. I just have to clean this up. Just spill a little bit of oil right there. But yeah, just gonna pick this up and then put this inside, and that's it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys are enjoying the process of making this car great, please like, comment, subscribe. Stanson Dragons out. Peace.